Next we can do miscellaneous exercise. The first one, sketch the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3 and evaluate integral minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx. So first we have to sketch the graph y is equal to mod x plus 3. Y is equal to mod x is a V-shaped graph through the origin. So mod x plus 3 means when this value is 0, when x is equal to minus 3. So at that point that will be that graph touch the x-axis, then a V-shaped graph. Those who have doubt, you can draw the table x, y, give the values, and here evaluate minus 6 to 0. So I am starting with minus 6, x is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. When x is minus 6, minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 and modulus is 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, modulus 2, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, modulus 1, and minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1, minus 1 plus 3 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, then 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Now we can plot. Zero, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. X dash, right hand side 1, 2, 3. And here 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. So minus 6, 3, minus 6, 3, minus 5, 2, minus 6, 3, minus 4, 1, minus 3, 0, minus 2, 1, then minus 1, 2, 0, 3, then 1, 4, then 2, 5 like that. So we can draw line. It's a straight line. Then here passing through 0, 3. Cutting y-axis at 0, 3, x-axis at minus 3, 0. So this is a graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3. Now we have to evaluate. What we have to evaluate? Evaluate integral minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3. So minus 6 to 0. So we can draw straight line. Here it is minus 6. Minus 6 to 0. So this triangle portion and this triangle portion we have to calculate. That means that we get area. Area of this triangle region and this one. Okay. Now how to calculate? It is the negative side. So when we apply, children, the question is minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3. When we directly do mod x plus 3 in the left side is a negative. So when we put minus sign, when x is here, when x is less than minus 3, that portion is minus, isn't it? And from minus 3 to, look here, from minus 3 to right hand side the value is positive, and minus 3 to left hand side its value is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Since modulus sign is there, that is why only positive sign. So you can't take that together whole together you can't take, since one portion is positive, one portion is negative. Mod x, children, mod x is defined as positive x if x is greater than or equal to 0, and x is negative when x is less than 0. This type of mod x we can define like this in two way, that is when x is 0 or more than 0 and x is less than 0. The same thing here also. At -3 the function y is equal to, or the mod x plus 3 is 0, and right hand side the positive value, but left is actually negative. Okay. So, we have to split it and do. Don't write together, we have to split it. How to split? -6 to -3 and -2 to 0. Sorry, -3 to 0. Or we can define this as mod x plus 3. Mod x plus 3 we can write as x plus 3 itself when x is greater than or equal to -3. How we get this number? Put this x plus 3 equal to 0. So, x is equal to -3. So, -3 and right side this mod x plus 3 is x plus 3 itself. And what about the negative side? Minus of x plus 3. So, in this way we can redefine this. Okay. Now, we can do integral -6 to 0. So, directly we can't integrate, you have to write like this. This you studied in the last chapter, integrals. So, we can write integral -6 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx. We can write as -6 to -3, that is minus x plus 3 dx plus -3 to 0, 0 x plus 3 dx. Okay. Now, integrate. So, minus we can take out, minus x is x square by 2 and 3 is a constant. 3 dx integral is 3x between the limits -6 to -3, and plus x square by 2 plus 3x between the limits -3 to 0. So, separately we can find. So, minus of, first give the value -3 square by 2, then after that the lower limit -6 square by 2 plus 3 into -3 minus plus x 0 means 0, both are 0, minus 9 by 2 plus 3 into -3. This is another bracket. So, minus of 9 by 2 minus 36 by 2 plus 3 into 3. Then plus bracket minus 9 by 2, then plus 9. So, minus of 27 by 2, that is minus plus 9. Okay. Then plus 9 minus 9 by 2. That is here 9 2s are 18, 18 minus 9 is 9 by 2. Here 9 2s are 18, 18 minus 27 is minus 9. Okay. Minus 9 minus is plus 9, 9 by 2. So, 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 is 2 times 9 by 2, or that is equal to. So, when modulus comes, you have to split like this, then you have to do. Okay. And also if area is negative, you have to write as positive value since area is always positive. So the answer is 9. Now the next one. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube, the x axis and the ordinates x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 1. Ordinates means it's a line, x is equal to -2, through -2 a straight line and through 1 also a straight line. So first we have to draw what is y is equal to x cube, draw the graph. Y is equal to x cube, in 11th standard you have studied y is equal to x cube, or you take the points. Positive and negative you have to take. When x is 0, y is also 0. When x is 1, 1. X is 2, 8. Then 3, 27 like that. Then -1, -1, -2, -8. So we can draw x dash, x, y, y dash, origin 1, 2, 3. Here -1, -2, -3. So 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 2, 8, 2, 8. Then -1, -1 and -2, 8. So graph is curve like this, one curve. You remember? The second chapter, 11th standard second chapter, this graph was there. Now, so this is the shape of the graph. Now what we have to find? Ordinates. So draw the line -2. Through -2, draw a straight line. This point is -2. So from -2, draw a straight line. Then x is equal to 1. So we have to find area bounded by. So look the figure, area bounded by, it's y is equal to x cube. Area bounded by the curve and the line x is equal to 1 and x axis. So this triangle portion in the right hand side. And left side also the curve y is equal to x cube and x axis and the ordinate x is equal to -2. Here x is equal to 1. So we have two triangles in right side and left side. Okay. So we can find the area. So how to find? The right hand side is from where to where? 0 to 1. This point is 1, 0. So 0 to 1 area under the curve y is equal to x cube. So required area is equal to integral 0 to 1 y dx in the right hand side. Okay. Then left hand side, these two are not symmetric. One is 1 unit, the other one is 2 units. So we can't take 2 times, it's not possible. Then the left hand side is -2 to 0. -2 to 0, area under the curve, again y dx. So we can write this equal to 0 to 1. What is y? X cube. Then plus -2 to 0. -2 to 0, y is equal to x cube dx. Now integrate. So here first one is x cube integral x raised to 4 by 4 between 0 to 1, and here again x raised to 4 by 4 between -2 to 0. So first one is 1 by 4 minus 0, that is 1 by 4, and the second one is 0 minus 2 raised to 4, that is 16 by 4. But children, the second part is the left hand side. So first right hand side area is 1 by 4. But the left hand side area negative. Area cannot be negative. Here if we cancel 4, then 1 by 4 minus 4, that is not the answer. This minus 4 indicates area of the left hand side. Since area is positive, you have to write as positive quantity. Or you can write in the left side, this is minus. You can put minus sign. Okay, or put the modulus symbol. So here you have to take plus 4. So it is 17 by 4. If you write like this, that is wrong. Understood? That's why you have to do separately, right hand side and left hand side. Left hand side you will get a negative number, but area cannot be negative. So write as positive. Okay, or here you put modulus symbol. Then modulus again you have to do plus and minus. So better you put negative sign. Modulus of x cube. Okay, modulus of x cube, but in modulus of x cube, but in the left side it is minus x cube. Okay, so minus you can put here. So minus outside, then that becomes plus. Okay, so 17 by 4. If you are not putting minus sign, here you have to neglect the negative sign, write positive and calculate. Next one, find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x mod x. X mod x, x axis and the ordinates. Again the graph. How is the graph? X, y. When x is 0, y is also 0. When x is 1, 1, 2. When x is 2, 2 into 2, 4. Then 3 into, if x is 3, 3 3s are 9. Now the left hand side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. When x is minus 1, minus 1 into modulus of minus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 2 into modulus of minus 2, that is minus 4. So the next is minus 3 into modulus of minus 3 is minus 9. Then draw the graph. X, origin, y, x dash and y dash. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. 2, 4. Then left side minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 4. That is somewhere here. Then here this one also like the previous one, it's a curve like this. Okay, y is equal to x mod x. Then area bounded by the curve x axis and the ordinates. X is equal to 1, so the line x is equal to 1 and the next line x is equal to minus 1. So here we can say that both are equal, both are symmetric. So the required area is 2 times the area in the right hand side. Okay. So required area is equal to 2 times integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1, the area bounded by the curve, which is the curve x mod x. Curve x-axis and the ordinate x is equal to 1. It is closed triangle or bounded region. So, 2 times integral 0 to 1 area under the curve y dx, or 2 times integral 0 to 1 y is x mod x, and we are taking the right hand side. Right hand side mod x is x itself. Y is equal to x mod x. Since mod x is x itself, y becomes x square. So, instead of y we can write x square dx. Now integrate. So, 2 into x cube by 3 between 0 to 1, or it is 2 into 1 by 3 minus 0, that is 2 by 3. So, this much square units is the area of the